Hello everybody, this is Caroline Alizan, an associate and a graduate student of the Grok Trade Mentoring Program. Hope you all had a wonderful trading day and you're just back here and ready to analyze this kind of messy chart here with me today. But it's fun at the same time. But anyways, it is Tuesday, November 30th of 2010, and we're looking at the Q's daily chart. I do apologize for this little mess here, but everything that I'm showing here today is very important. So pay really close attention to what I'm going to point to you today. So, wow, check this out. Look at this little formation here. Right inside that downtrend, we are forming a descending triangle, which is bearish, which is a bearish sign. So we are going lower and lower. We bounce off of that purple trend line right here that that I have drawn on my chart. And then we bounce off of it, continue to the downside, getting stopped at this lower area of support, which is a pretty major area of support right now to watch. And it's at the 52.06 mark. So pay really close attention to that support level right now. It's a key area of support to have on your chart. So watch it very carefully this week. So we're getting closer and closer to that edge of that descending triangle right here. So what you need to pay really close attention to is that area of support. So if we broke through it and closed below it, then there is a better chance of us going and pointing lower, and we could get all the way down to that next area of support right here at the 51.66 mark. So, and from then on, what could happen here, we could either way continue lower, we could break through it and continue to the downside to that next stop, which would be right at the pink trend line, which is acting as a really major area of support right now, or we could bounce off of it to that upper area of resistance right here, the 52.06 mark, and then we could turn around and continue to the downside towards that purple trend line. So there's some scenarios here to look for and to watch for. So always look for tradable setups on the chart. So that will just that's the safest way to do that. So anyways, yeah, and also what else we do see here, we are closing outside of that pink trend line that I have drawn on my chart, which was acting as a pretty major area of support on our way down, and we broke through it and closed below it, which is still indicating bearish. And look at this. Look at the MACD pointing lower and lower, getting closer and closer to the zero line with another negative tick. And look at the volume. It's increasing at this moment, confirming that move. So we are bearish according to the MACD and to our messy Q's chart. So again, pay really close attention to that lower area of support that I mentioned here to you today, and it's at 52.06 mark, and then the next one to watch would be at the 51.66 mark. So pay really close attention to that and watch that descending triangle formation. If we get a breakout and a close below it, then we could have a play, but in terms for us to get in again, we would need to have that confirmation with the MACD. So have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow.